This spacious 4-bedroom 2-bath, 2-story townhome is 1,352 square feet. One large bedroom downstairs. A large tall fence, and a large backyard area. There is a rear entry carport with extra storage closets. New windows installed and a new roof. New vinyl flooring, cabinets in kitchen painted white and new backsplashes and newly tiled in the tub areas on both baths. Super close to shopping and highways. Carpet upstairs and tile downstairs. The front yard is mowed by the Homeowners Association. Access to a beautiful community pool, clubhouse, and park. Low homeowner fees. Cash no FHA. A package of 3 can be sold together as well. Part of an estate and was an investment property. Sold as is. No VA or FHA Prefer Cash or conventional. No repairs will be made by the seller if needed.